Hey everybody, welcome back. We're going to take this piece of venison off the deer that I shot, you just seen, the lower round, and we are going to make this into some steaks, and then we're going to take them over here, and we're going to put them through the tenderizer, and we're going to make a version of a chicken fried steak with gravy, and I'm going to put some mushrooms in it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this piece of lower round into some steaks. I'm gonna fry that piece up right there. So I'm gonna cut me some steaks here. Okay, there we got some nice steaks. We'll take them over here and we'll run them through the tenderizer. All right, let's run these through some of these through the tenderizer here. That's basically what you end up with right there. Just a nice tenderized steak. And okay, we'll get the rest of these done, and we'll get to cooking some of these up. Okay, I'm using some lard that I rendered down myself here, and we're going to go ahead and get these in here. These tenderized steaks. A few pieces there that salt, pepper them. These shouldn't take very long to cook. All right, these here are done. I'll go ahead and get these on the plate. So now I'm gonna do, these are oyster mushrooms that I picked myself. So I'm gonna get these cooked up in this, what's left from cooking the deer. I had these froze. I put a picture in here to show you where they was on the tree. Okay, we got the gravy made. Let's put in some of these mushrooms here. Ooh, yeah. All right, let's put this over this. All right, let's give this a try. Piece of mushroom on there. I'll tell you what, that's good. Everything on that plate is from the field except for the gravy come from a packet. But the mushrooms, got the deer. And this cooked up like a chicken fried steak. Personally, I don't like a thick deer steak. It just gets too dry for me. I don't particularly like it, but like this, whenever you cut them kind of thin, you tenderize them, and you put some gravy on them in this way, I love it. This is delicious. If you haven't ever gave this a try like this, give it a try. I know you'll love it. And I really wanted white gravy, but I didn't have no white gravy. But anyway, give this a try. I think you'll love it, and we'll see you on the next video.